The item I'm going to talk about in this video is not something you would expect would fit into the category of outdoor photography accessories, but I assure you it is very useful. Don't go away. Hi, I'm Barry Callister of Photographer's Freedom, taking you from beginner to better to business. At photographersfreedom.com and here on my YouTube channel, you will find photography tutorials, camera gear reviews, photography business advice, and more, all designed to help you no matter where you are in your photography journey. Subscribe if you like the sound of that and ding that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I release a new video. This item is not something you may have expected in a video about outdoor photography accessories, but as I said, it is extremely useful. Hand wipes or wet wipes. You are outdoors taking photos, and my friend, the outdoors can be messy. You may get dirt or dust or grime on your hands, and you don't want to be transferring that onto your expensive camera equipment. So all you have to do is grab out your wet wipes, wipe them clean, and you're ready to touch your gear safely. These are absolutely necessary if you're using sunscreen or sunblock too. That stuff is oily and it can stain the finish on your camera or your lenses. Not to mention how slippery and greasy it can make your camera, making it harder to hold on to. Now we want to make sure that we're being kind to the environment when we wipe our hands, so I've put links in the video description to some biodegradable bamboo wet wipes. Now you and I would never litter when we're in the outdoors, but things like hand wipes can blow away or fall out of pockets, etc. And if that happens, we want to know that they're not going to harm the environment. Check out the links in the video description for more information. Keep a packet of wet wipes in your camera bag at all times. They are an outdoor photography accessory that's more of an outdoor photography necessity. Check the links in the video description for some eco-friendly hand wipes to add to your camera kit. If you enjoyed this video, the best thing you can do is hit that like button. If you want to see more videos just like it, please subscribe and ding that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video, which is 1 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time every Friday. Until next time, I'm Barry Callister of Photographer's Freedom. Get out there, take some wicked shots. I'll see you soon.